everyone, this is Ray with RingFire Stacks, and today I'm going to show you how we assemble and take apart the RingFire. So this is your setup here. This is how it will look when you receive it. You're just going to take off these wing nuts and set them to the side. Alright, so the very first panel that you see, we're just going to take that off, and as you could see, it's got these two openings here. This is going to be your starting one. We're just going to set this here. You're going to have a total of 8. And now you're going to have 6 where these panels have openings on either side. So left and right side, top and bottom. So we're just going to set all of those out. And then finally, your last panel, the 8th one, looks just like the first panel, except the openings are on the bottom only. So we're going to set that aside. And we're going to start with our first panel. And we're going to go in a circle clockwise. And they're just going to interlock into each other. Make sure you give yourself enough room. You'll know you're doing this right because you'll see this, our logo. On the inside, it'll look like a number 2. On the outside, it'll look like an S for RingFire Stacks. And then you take your final piece with the openings on the bottom. Give it a shake, make sure everything's down, and there you have it. That is the RingFire fire pit all assembled. And then taking it apart is literally just as easy. Have your screws here. We're gonna start taking it apart with the last panel that we put on. Just like that. And then go counterclockwise to remove the rest of the panels. And notice how I'm still keeping them in order and keeping the logo correct. That's just to make your life easier when you go to put it back together again. Wait. Take those wing nuts and you'll just screw those back on. Make sure they're tight enough to hold it, but not too tight that you're going to have a problem undoing them when you need it again. And there you have it. There is the RingFire all assembled back.